Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Grom 125 minimoto. Fuel injected, 4-speed transmission. This one has a really cool light blue paint scheme and a lot of nice goodies, including bar end mirrors, eccentric grips, LED turn signals, fender eliminator. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding exhaust pipe. This thing is in beautiful showroom condition, only 2,600 miles. I love the red calipers on the brakes. Come on by and make your Grom dreams come true with this beautifully customized 125 for only $30.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.